How to set your Brisk Audio ringtone on an Android phone. After downloading your ringtone from Brisk Audio, transfer the MP3 file to your Android phone. You can do this by connecting your phone with a USB cable, using a cloud storage service, or sending the file to yourself through email or a messaging app. When the ringtone is on your phone, open the Settings app and go to Sound and Vibration or Sounds, depending on your device. Tap Phone Ringtone or Ringtone. If your custom ringtone doesn't appear in the list, tap Add Ringtone, the plus sign, or choose from Files. Browse to the downloaded MP3 file, select it, and it will be added to your ringtone list. Finally, tap your custom ringtone to set it as your default ringtone. Your Brisk Audio ringtone will now play whenever you receive a call. For more Brisk Audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.